You're watching this video for one of two reasons. Either you want to grow your business online right now, or you want to determine how to build a website in 2021, what the best platform is to use, and how to do it yourself right now. Let's jump in. Hey guys, Derek here from the Clearsound team, and today I want to recommend to you my favorite #1 web platform builder in 2021 for those of you who want to do it yourself, and that is Squarespace. Let me tell you why, and it comes from the idea of this framework that I want your business model to be simple. For many of you, you don't need the advanced customizations, SEO, optimizations, automations that WordPress would offer. That video will be next week, where I tell you exactly why I recommend for a lot of you to jump over to WordPress if you're willing to pay for a website, or if you need advanced customizations to grow and scale your business. But for some of you that are just getting started, you need to simplify. You need to focus on your product. You need to focus on your service. You need to focus on your customer service and your team. And let your website be something you spend a few hours on to get started. Let me tell you why I recommend Squarespace above Wix and Weebly and all the other options out there. Squarespace allows you to accept donations, do checkout, check on your analytics, even connect your products to Facebook and Instagram. Squarespace is a great all-in-one solution for many of you to get started. If you sell simple products online, simple e-commerce products that don't need a lot of customization, don't need a lot of custom shipping or custom subscriptions, you can start with Squarespace. If you want to do a blog, you can start with Squarespace. If you want to simply just do a site about you or about your business, Squarespace is a great choice. It's secure and it allows you to have everything all in one. They even offer custom email integrations where you can send emails directly from their platform. Now let's talk about the problems with Squarespace as the #1 recommendation for do-it-yourselfers in 2021. And that is, I really believe that some of the things it does all in one, it doesn't do as well as it could have. It is still my #1 recommendation for those of you who want to do it yourself. But I would recommend that if you're going to pay $40 a month for that commerce platform as of this time of recording, that you would also pay $15 a month for MailChimp. And you say, Derek, why do you say that? Because MailChimp will allow you, similar with the ease of use thing, it will allow you to create simple customer journeys. We're not talking about advanced automation here. We're talking about simplified customer journeys that allow your customers to connect with you, right? That's the whole goal of this video. Some of you are watching it to learn how to grow your business online and grow it well without the headache. You need to simplify your tech stack. You need to let the website be built, and from there, allow these things to happen as you grow your business, right? That is the goal, is for you to learn how to connect with your audience so that your business can grow. You don't need to be caught down with all the weeds. So for some of you, you may be watching this video and say, wow, even Squarespace seems like too much. I may need to talk to Derek and his team to figure out if they should build me a Squarespace website or even a more advanced WordPress website. But if you're like, man, I'm burning the wick, I'm ready to get started, check out Squarespace. It is our #1 recommendation for those of you who want to get started right now. And guys, subscribe to this channel. We're going to help you determine clear marketing strategy, strategic planning, business goals. We're going to help you figure out what platforms to use to grow your business. We talk about both strategy and tactics to grow your business, both online and offline. Right at the end of the day, you need to connect with your audience, because you being able to connect with your audience and serve them well will grow your business. So this is just one more tip to add to your arsenal in growing your business, which is to start a website on Squarespace. Again, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for next week's video where I get in-depth, advanced on why we suggest WordPress for those of you who are ready to grow and scale. Again, guys, Derek here from the Clearsound team. Thanks so much for checking out this video, and I'll see you soon.